Got it. Got it. Got it.
What's going on, guys? It's Special Leo Steadfast Courage. Today I got the coolest DMR, aka designated marksman rifle, which fires the 223 and the 5.56. It's a very nice rifle. We're gonna go over what we did to it and do some long distance shooting with it. I'm gonna go out to 550 meters doing this box drill. Do a couple ready up drills. I hope you enjoyed that intro. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to Steadfast Courage. Enjoy the video.
You got it. Yeah, good shot. I got skills. Got it. Yeah, sucker. Got it.
Control pairs. This thing's awesome. It's really great for ready up drills. It's great for long distance shooting and close quarters. Check in! Up! She's sexy. Very nice setup. Damn good rifle weapon. So what I got here is a Vortex sight, Eagle Strike 1 in 6 variable sight. It's very nice. You see, zoom in, zoom out. Pretty nice.
It's got the quick lever.
The quick lever. So if you gotta zoom in and zoom out in them tight situations. The brand we got in this here rifle is American Tactical with a mag pull grip. I really like this grip because there's no little notch right there that bothers your fingers, and the mag pull ergonomic grip, which can help. I have a 16-inch barrel with a 15-inch handguard. It's pretty nice.
The trigger is a CMC Texas 3.5 pound trigger. Single stage.
The trigger is very smooth, especially for long distance shooting. You need a very light trigger. And if you're ever doing any shooting long distance, you'll know why. The trigger is very important for long distance shooting because the release is smooth. See how much effort I put into that trigger squeeze? Smooth. Very smooth. It reminds me of those 1911 Custom 2, the Kimber. That's how it feels. It feels just like that. It feels good.
And then you got your flash suppressor, 3-prong, Surefire to top it off.
Yeah, what he said. That's a
Magpul, M-bus, sights, rear sights, and foresights. Custom paint job by the old man. Just watch it randomly there.
It's too sloppy. Ready? Okay. Nice. This is a sweet DMR setup. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'd like to thank my family for making this video happen. Without them, I couldn't do this without them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys want me to do something different. Always looking to do something different. And I hope you guys enjoyed that HK91 video. Lord knows my knees are hurting because of it. Alright. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to Steadfast Courage. Remember, peace through fire superiority, speciously out.
Got it.
Alright! Not so good on my left side. Now I know. I'm a righty. Alright, that's it. I'm good.
Outro.